The purpose of the book and why we did this whole project is to systemize and give you guys a blueprint and a framework for you to, go step by step to build a full trading system. We felt like if we were to write it, it would be there forever. A lot of folks would recommend it to others, and it was a good way for us to spread word, even though we have a huge, digital footprint on social media, YouTube, and things of that nature. I think a book on someone's desk and one person telling another or word of mouth would spread a lot faster for us to share our knowledge, like Richard said, with all the interviews that he's done, Ross with his experience of over 30 years in the market, me and Nick and our new perspective as to how markets have gotten a little bit faster. And we're also, the idea of systemizing or breaking it down into, for example, edges, entry tactics, market cycles, position sizing systems, etc., all comes from our own struggles when we were learning and when we were, kind of building up our experience. So we wanted this book to be really something that we had on day one, that we felt, if we had this, our learning curve would be shortened, and all we would need is then, repetition and seat time for us to get to being a stage 4 trader. So a lot of that knowledge, a lot of the charts that you see in the book, we have over, hundreds of charts in the book as examples. All of those keep the trader that's new in the market or struggling or not looking for that consistency, but is not able to get there just yet. This book was written for them so that we could see more consistent traders systemizing and giving them a real framework so that they're more successful quicker as well. So really great to see everybody purchasing the book, leaving reviews, being very enthusiastic. So we're trying to make this as worth it as possible. We think it's going to leave a huge impact, and it's going to make a lot of traders really, really good. So if you know someone that's interested in trading, that wants to, is remotely interested, I would highly recommend them the book as well. We've kind of distilled the knowledge down into a very basic way of going about it, but a very powerful way to help them out as well.